congratulations on finishing your first module. All right, now it's time to get started with the first assignment. What you'll need to do is go to this link and it'll send you to a Google document. The version that you're seeing right now on the screen is not an editable version. I'll show you how to fill it out. So what we want to do right now is, in establishing your goals, we have to first list out your employees. So that's what you'll do right here. I've listed 6 slots for you to enter your employees. If you have more employees, just click here on this final cell and then click the tab button and it'll create a number 7, and then you type in number 7 and then you can fill out for each one. So at the end of every row, you would add a new, at the end of every row, if you have more employees, you would add them there just like that. So what I need you to do is go ahead and type in the team member's title, the name, put first and last name. And then here, what you want to do is you want to rate how you feel they're performing. Overall, this is not a rating for a particular job or a particular task. It's just overall, how do you feel that they're performing? Are they weak performers? Are they still struggling? Then you would put them as a 1. If you feel that they're doing good, now they're not excellent and they're not consistently high performing, then you would set them as a 2. They're making progress. Or number 3, they're actually doing really well in all their areas. You would mark them as 3. So for now, go ahead and mark them 1, 2, and 3, and do not fill out the goal section just quite yet. We'll do that in upcoming sessions. But for now, go ahead and complete this list and have this ready so we can then tackle the individual goals for all of them. This is the first step of the process. All right, so now let me show you how to download or make a copy of this file to your Google Drive. And this will apply to all other documents that you get from this course that we have stored in our Google Drive server. So here's what you do. Remember, you're not going to be able to access this version because this is viewed only. So that what you do is you click here on File on your computer, on your drive, on your browser, and you click on Make a Copy. Okay. And then right here, you're going to, I would recommend that you leave the name the same, except that you erase copy of, leave it 001, establishing goals, and then choose a folder inside of your Google Drive. Your screen will probably say right here where it says folder, it will probably say My Drive. You can opt to click in here and go find a place on your drive. It'll look something like this. It'll look something like this. You go and choose a folder in your Google Drive where to store this. If you don't have one, I recommend that you create a folder as follows. For example, you click on, you're in My Drive. Notice I use the left arrow to get to My Drive. And then you click on this folder that says New Folder. And right here, type in Maurice's Management Course. All right. And then you hit check mark, and then you say select. That's where you're going to save it. So therefore, it's Maurice's Management Course. And then you leave the name 001, Establishing Goals. Then you click on Make a Copy, and you will notice that your file will be created, and now you will have access to this, and then you can edit this version. All right, so congratulations. Good job on getting to this point in the training. Good luck. If you need anything, let us know. Thank you.